haven't done a video in a while, but today we were having steak. What I did today, see extension cord. Hook up there. Wraps around the pole. Into the garage. Wraps around there, down through here, Plugs in there, and follow the cable. There it is, security camera. I don't have an SD card in it yet. I'll have to get one. So that's how regular. Took a couple hours. I looked online for one. I ordered a blank one. You look up it online, the blank outdoor 4 will not connect to my phone or any of my other devices. It ran on batteries. A nice little machine, but I had to send it back. So we went to Canadian Tire. Got this one. I was planning to put power in here anyway. So, well, there it is. Circuit breaker on it. I can plug the pole in underneath. Yeah, we got the pole up. I cut that up a couple days ago. Right now it's filling up slowly, so I won't kill the pump. That's 2-day fill. It's getting there. I'll turn it off tonight at 10. Yeah, it's kind of early. May it's up the pole, but once it's up, don't have to worry about it in June. Yeah, I decided to put the power into the garage and to put a camera in there because this year gas was stolen again out of the lawn tractor. That's where it is now, but that's where I had it set. I mowed my lawn. When I came back out here a couple days last week, it was empty. So I believe our so-called neighbor boyfriend's stealing our gas again. And even this is still empty. Yeah, I had half a tank in this, and they took gas out of that too. So that's what's out of it. That's motion detection. It records any motion onto my phone when I have it activated. But I had to get an SD card, like I said, for it. I made that little bracket for it, and it's secure and sturdy. Put it there, and my signal for Wi-Fi was 60%. So that's not bad. 58, 60, it fluctuates too. It depends on the weather. Yeah, this thing works like a charm. That works like a charm. And that still works like a charm. So that's about it. I'm going to have some steak tonight for supper. And some noodles with it. So, that's about it for this little video I'm recording here for you guys. I know I haven't done anything in a while because I don't know what to record. Anyway. Peace.